Yes, it is, my friend. Beautiful, amazing, my friend. Look at this. So mighty. Alright. Also, this one I can make it. That is beautiful. Okay. Okay, my friend. See. Alright. Okay. Problem. We are going to clean them up. Alright. Let's go. See? Okay. Wow, what is this? What is this, my friend? You see? Beautiful dinosaurs. Okay, again, my friend. This one is, what is this? Amazing tire, beautiful. Nice. Okay, nice. Right. This is. Whoa. This is a monster truck. Wow. Alright. What is this, my friend? Look, Hudson or NASCAR? I don't know, my friend.
In 27th place, and the last car on the lead lap at the moment, and Labonte went around off turn number 4. And
I don't know. Hi. Okay, Clint. Let's see. What is this? I know this one. This is a Thomas. Very nice Thomas. Beautiful Thomas. Well, this one is what is this? This is a police car, my friend. Good. Okay. This one is a McQueen. Nice McQueen. Yeehaw.
See you at the finish line. What? That is something I have made up for the occasion.
good McQueen.
Alright. Okay, this one is. Wow. Ramirez. Hola, Ramirez, ¿cómo está? Nice. Hey. Here, yellow color.
Tongsin untuk menapaki medan off-road.
Beautiful. Hey, what is this? I forgot. I don't know. Nice. Green. This one is excavator. See? Excavator. Okay. This one is besar. Red. Okay. What is this? Stoom. It's a stoom. What is this? Yes, a NASCAR. Okay. Very nice. Good. Clean. Oh. What is this, my friend? Okay. What is this? Tomater, my friend. See? Beautiful. Okay. Good there. Alright. What is this, my friend? This is a drag race.
It was a very solid elapsed time that he had in his back pocket anyway, but he didn't need any of it because you can see that flinch on the opposite side of the racetrack.
Hi. Good. This is a rally car. Alright. Right. Beautiful rally car. This one is what is this? Formula One. Nice. Formula One. Okay. Okay. My friend, let's go, my friend. Right. Woohoo! What is this, my friend? Amazing. Yellow one. Ayo, minibus.
You took it, didn't you?
What? No, why would I?
What do you mean, why? You were jealous?
Beautiful. This one's red color is a fire rescue. Nice, right? Beautiful. Hey, what is this? The green one, rally car. Alright, amazing. This one's the blue one, it's Sally.
Hey boys, stay with me. And Flo, what'll happen if no one can come to your station to buy gas?
I'll go out of business.
Alright, good. This one is the red color. What is this, my friend? What is this? Rally car?
Scored 10 wins at his home event.
I'm a bit emotional about that. It's an amazing achievement.
Scored 10 wins at his home event.
I'm a bit emotional about that. It's an amazing achievement.
Okay, no problem. Hi. What is this? This is the Captain of America. This is Jeep, my friend. What is this? See? Oh, this is the snow tractor. Amazing. What is this? This is a truck. Very good. This is my friend. Amazing. This is the loader. This is a Molen truck. See, my friend? Sorry. Okay. Ayo again. Green color. Ayo, my friend.
Logie, can I take this with me?
Of course.
Good. Okay. What is this? Looks amazing. Scary. See? Scary. Alright. Nice. The last one. See? The last one. This is the blue color rally car. Nice. See? Green already. Beautiful. Bye bye, friend.